Have you had this experience where your mouse cable is dragging on your desk or your table and it's always hitting something? You wish you can just find something and put on there and then make it has a better feel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a nice device to have to fix all the problem. Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to unbox this mouse cable management thing that is called Bungee Husky. Let's unbox it. Okay, let's take a look what's inside. Actually, here's the name. Mouse cord clip. I don't know why they call it Bungee or Bungee. And I guess you can see we can put the mouse cable in this little tray on here. Give you the wireless feeling, so your wire won't make that drag feeling on your table. So it give you that smooth feeling. Dun, da, da, da. It's really simple packaging. They're also very cheap. But this one is only, what, 15 bucks? So only the Bungee is in here. And what is that? Dirt? Not even a manual, man. So at the bottom of this Bungee, there's a 4 gum bumper thing, and they're all made by rubber and they're non-slippery. So when you put this thing on your desk or on your table, and you won't go anywhere. You're gonna stay there very sturdy. And for this part, it's made by metal, but it's very flexible. It can be shorter and it can be longer. And when you drag your mouse, move your mouse, you can move with your mouse. So it's not like fixed, it's adjustable. It goes with your movement, which is very nice. And this thing is pretty nice, a little gadget too on your desktop. It's pretty neat. Let's see how this thing works. So you put this thing on the table and we're supposed to have a mouse. Let me grab my mouse, so one second. Okay, nice, so I found the mouse. Let me show you guys how this thing works. And when you play the games, it's kind of drag on your desk. So you feel like it's not smooth. But with this thing, it should help to fix this issue. So let me put this guy on here. You can have a better idea of how this thing works to give you that smooth feeling. We put this cable, the mouse cable, right in here. So like this. It's very simple. Put in here and put it in here. That's it. And those little tabs, it's a little sticky, so it won't go anywhere on your desk. So you just put this guy. Now your cable is in the ear, so it won't have that drag feeling, and it's very smooth now. Okay, see, give you that wireless feel. And this thing can adjust too, so you can go higher if you want to, like this, and it follows your movement. So it's not dragging you, but this thing is very soft. So here you have it. A very good way to manage your mouse cable. And that is pretty much everything for this video. And I hope I help you with your mouse cable management. And if I did, make sure to leave a like and also consider hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out. Or Bungee, Bungee. So you put this guy on the table. It's not drag on the cable anymore, and that wasn't happening. Okay, you didn't see anything.